So today in this class we are going to discuss about internet gateways. Now these internet gateways, these are horizontally scaled, redundant and highly available. Scaled, redundant and these are highly available, redundant and highly available Amazon VPC component. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud component. Highly scaled, redundant and highly available virtual private cloud component. Now this component allows communication between instances in Amazon VPC. So because of this we can have communication between various instances in virtual private cloud. That means because of this we can have various communication because of which that allows communication between various instances in Amazon VPC and internet. Like we have virtual private cloud. Here in this case we have various instances. Now these instances requires to be communicate with the internet. So that means internet gateway will allow the communication between these two entities. That's why we require a internet gateway. Now internet gateway Internet gateway provides a target in your virtual private cloud route tables. So it provides what? Target in route tables. That means in the route tables, as in the previous class we have discussed, that means we need to define in a route table we have to target for some internet routable traffic. Whenever the traffic to be routed to internet. So it provides a target in a route table. That means it specify a target in a route table that this traffic has to be located to the internet, and it performs network address translation for instances. For various instances. This is network address translation. It provides network address translation for various instances that has been assigned with public IP address. That means those instances those have assigned with public IP addresses. It translates with public network address translation. Now basically there is an attachment of internet gateway with virtual private cloud. Now here in this case we require to create route table to send all the non-local traffic to internet gateway because we have having an internet gateway. So in the route tables which need to specify each and everything, so it has to specify that these traffic has to be routed to internet gateway because we have to contact with or communicate with internet. So it need to specify a public IP address. And then suppose that we have Amazon Web Service. Here in this, we have region, availability, zone A, and we have availability zone B. Now in this zone B, we have various subnets like subnet A, subnet B, and we have these between a router. In this subnet A, we have, like, for example, we have EC2 instance. Same, we have EC2 instance. Now we have public subnet. This is one public. Now this router is connected to IGW, which is Internet Gateway, and further it is connected to Internet. That's why it's named as a gateway, because it provides a gateway with the Internet. Now here we can have, like, if we require to define route table, so we need to define custom route table. So in custom route table, we have our destination, we have a proper target, destination and target. Here we have, like, we have local, which is by default, and if I have something like, now here we need to define Internet Gateway ID, which is this one as IGW, Internet Gateway ID. So we are specifying in a route table that this traffic has to be routed to the Internet Gateway. This is how Internet Gateway works. Thank you so much.